Here's how to make this delicious suya lamb recipe. Grab your clean lamb cutlets and season them with salt, garlic granules, black pepper, all-purpose, chili flakes, the all-important suya spice, and massage this into your lamb. I also add a few drops of Maggi liquid seasoning. Then we're going to make your suya paste, and this just includes oil and suya, and you're going to lay your lamb onto an oven tray and use a kitchen brush to brush the suya paste onto both sides of your lamb. Take this away and bake your lamb in the oven on 200 degrees Celsius for 20 minutes, turning it halfway. And just like that, these delicious lamb cutlets are done. You can eat them with anything, but in traditional suya style, I eat them with some fresh red onions, some tomatoes, and obviously you need to add some extra lamb on top. If you like this recipe, please remember to comment, like, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.